May it please your lordships. My lord, I'm mentioning item number 7 to 11.
Yes.
My lord, in terms of order dated 9/3/26, we were supposed to file an affidavit, my lord. Earlier, we could not do because our client, he had suffered a brain stroke. So therefore, he was hospitalized. But in any case, today we have filed the affidavit.
Okay.
So it is being filed. We have
Affidavit
served,
for what purpose?
my lord, to bring on record that part of the relief has been granted to us by the adjudicating authority sitting in Delhi, Calcutta, as the Directorate of, my lord, Revenue Intelligence. Now that is one aspect. Secondly, my lord, my learned friend may like to file an affidavit to that. So ideally, we would like to have a hearing of this matter. But the matter can be fixed in the 10th or 11th of May, my lord, for filing pleadings. Then thereafter, my lord, we can go for a date of hearing.
Okay.
That is how, my lord, I would like to submit for your lordship's kind consideration.
Yes, Mr. Kyle.
Lordship, I am appealing for CGST. Although I could not make objection, but I have an objection. We file an IA for vacating the interim order. The issue involved is here. We have granted summatory registration. Now, after the passing of the order by the commissioner at Chennai, some relief has been granted that they try to deposit some amount against the temporary registration. As per law, that cannot be. They have to take permanent registration.
No, my lord, that is an issue which is the subject matter of challenge in the writ petition.
Okay.
My lord, as far as the principal issue which you have raised in the concern, in respect of that, relief has been given to us in respect of not only Arunachal, Nagaland also,
Yes, Lordship.
by the order which you have annexed today.
Okay. File.
So, my lord, I would kindly have the matter fixed in second week of May, my lord.
Yes.
Then,
Lordship, regarding fixing of date, Lordship, I cannot make any submission, but my endeavor.
Whether you have to file anything, any
Lordship,
pleading?
the copy has been sub before
Today.
just before 10 minutes ago. We have to go through and if
Take a call. If you want to file any pleading, you file in the meantime.
But my request before your Lordship to fix the matter at early date may be
If some,
fixed.
yes. 10 or 11? As
Because
suggested.
Lordship, with regard to state, they have taking repeated adjournment and they are not filed any of.
I'm sorry, Mala. Yes, Mala. Last time I lost
File.
11th or 12th.
11 or 18, Mala.
State is also supposed to file an affidavit. my lord.
Either 11 or 18, Mala. Any that you lost me. Mala.
This is 17 to 7 to
7 to
11.
7 to 11, Mala. You lost me fix on 18, Mala. 18, Mala.
it was
Abo?
11th could be
11th.
11th is Monday, Lord.
18 is also
12,
Monday.
10 is Sunday.
Sunday, Lord.
11?
Lordship,
11.
And in the IA, any objection is to be filed.
Lordship, nobody has filed till date.
My
Nobody.
lord, actually, my lord, taking up the interim matter and whole the same thing, my lord.
Okay.
In fact, this order was passed after hearing all the sides, my lord.
Okay.
The interim order which is operating.
Okay, Mr. K. Churi, Senior Counsel, listed by Mr. R. M. Dekar, Counsel for the petitioner. Your future gaming.
Yes, my lord.
Mr. F.C. Kyle and Standing Counsel, CGST, and Mr. R.H.
And for response number 4.
Nabam, Land Additional Advocate General, Assam. Oh, sorry. Additional Advocate General, Arunachal Pradesh, for the respondents are present. Full stop. Mr. Chaudhary and Senior Counsel, appearing for the petitioner, has submitted that the adjudicating authority, Kolkata,
No, Lordship.
Kolkata.
Chennai, has passed an order on
On
My lord, 27/1/26.
27/1/2026, granting some relief,
Partial relief.
partial relief to the petitioner. And the seat aspect of the matter has been brought on record by way of an affidavit filed today.
Yeah.
By serving a copy to the learned counsel for the respondents. Copy each to the learned counsel of the respondents. Full stop. Yes, since Mr. Sudri has submitted that since partial relief has been granted to the petitioner, and if the respondents seek to file any reply to it, to the affidavit, they can do so. That may be filed so as to take up the case for final consideration. So Mr. Kyle, CGST, Standing Counsel, CGST has submitted that an interlocutory application seeking vacation of the interim order dated 21/7/2025 is pending consideration. So he has submitted that as a copy of the additional affidavit filed by the petitioner has been served upon him today, he will go through the same and file any pleading if required to the said additional affidavit filed by the petitioner. Post of Mr. Nabam, Learned Additional Advocate General, Arunachal Pradesh, has submitted that he be granted 2 further weeks time be granted to file the counter affidavit on behalf of the state respondents. Post of having regard to the submissions made by the learned counsel for the parties, list the case on 11/5/2026. Post of the respondents may choose to file. The respondents CGST authorities may file any pleading against the additional affidavit on or before 11/5/2026 if so advised.
Yeah.
Post of the state respondents shall ensure that its counter affidavit is filed on or before 11/5/2026. The interim order passed earlier shall continue.
Till then.
My friend is appearing for Union of India.
Huh?
Martho Kato is appearing for Union.
Mr. Learned Central Government Council.
DSGI.
Deputy Solicitor
Deputy
General of
Solicitor.
India.
Okay, DUI as UI. For the Union Respondent, Union of India, Upadil are present.
Deep level.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 27, my Lord.
Okay.
In this
Gotcha.
matter, my Lord,
Item number
27, my Lord. 27. My Lord, I request some time, my Lord, to file a affidavit to bring on record the status of the construction of the project, my Lord.
Not audible. Huh?
Am I audible, my Lord?
Just a minute. Yes.
Yes, my Lord. My Lord, in item 27, I request some more time, my Lord. We will require to file an affidavit to bring on record the status of the construction of the project, my Lord.
You are for the petitioner or respondent?
For the respondent, my Lord. Respondent number 3. The
Respondent
participants
number
must-
3.
Yes, my Lord. Respondent number 3.
Mr. Khera.
I'm on behalf of Mr. Khera, my Lord.
Mr. So-and-so. Learned Counsel on behalf of Mr. N. Khera, Learned Counsel for the respondent has sought. How much time you need?
2 weeks time, my Lord.
That's for 2 weeks time to file the additional affidavit in opposition
No, additional
To
to
bring
bring
on
on record. Yes, my Lord.
to bring on record certain datas which, according to him, would be necessary for adjudication of the issues raised in the petition. First of anybody from petitioner?
We have
I'm for the
informed-
petitioner
Okay.
on behalf of Air Tatak.
Okay, Mr. So-and-so Learned Counsel for the petitioner is present and has submitted that he has no objection to the prayer made on behalf of the respondent number 3. Procedural made by Mr. On behalf of respondent number 3 is allowed. Release the case on so and so. After 2
my
weeks,
lord.
give a date. Give a date.
7.
7/5.
All right, my lord. My lord, if it
What's up?
can be recorded in the orders as to the data with regard to the status of the project, my lord.
We bring on record.
All right, all right.
May I, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 2, Your Lordship.
Item number 2.
Yes, Your Lordship. Here we need some instruction from the Land Management Department, Your Lordship. So I may be granted 2 weeks' time to
Okay, Mr. So-and-so Leonard,
Government Advocate.
government advocate has sought for and is granted 2 weeks' time to file. What, you have filed an additional affidavit? You are filing additional affidavit or what?
No, Your Lordship.
Counter affidavit.
Counter
Okay, counter affidavit on behalf of the state respondents. Mr. D. Panging, Learned Counsel for the petitioner is present. Please the case on so-and-so.
And Your Lordship, item number 12 and 13, Your Lordship.
12 and 13.
Yes, Your Lordship. I have taken the consent from the petitioner, Your Lordship. May it be fixed for hearing, Your Lordship, since pleadings are complete.
Yes.
After a week, Your Lordship.
After?
A week.
After a week.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay. On on the prayer of Mr. So-and-so. Learned Counsel for the petitioner.
No, Your Lordship, I am for the state respondent.
Okay. Learned Government Advocate has released the case on so-and-so. Next week? Next
Alright.
week? Monday?
Monday, Your Lordship. Wednesday, Your Lordship.
Monday.
Yes, Your Lordship. Obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I beg to mention that.
You have mentioned, you have taken consent from the Learned Counsel for the petitioner.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay, consent lihidu.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 5 and 6 on behalf of K. Tama. This mention is with the consent of the other party, Your Lordship.
Okay.
5
and
and 6. 5 and 6.
Since my lord, I'm told Mr. Tama is in this post. So otherwise, was 11 years old matter, my lord. My lord, if you
Okay.
receive, makes it cleared it on the next day. No adjournment may be sought for.
Okay, who is in this post?
Mr. Tama.
Tamang.
Yes.
K. Tama.
K. Tama, sorry.
Okay. He is the petitioner in which case?
Item number 6.
Okay. Ketama.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay. A praise made by Mr.
J. Sring.
Learned Counsel on behalf of Mr. Ketama, Learned Counsel for the petitioner in 6. On the ground that Mr. Tama is in this post of Mr. Panging. D. Panging. You are for respondent.
I am for
Or
the
petitioner.
5.
Mr. D. Panging, Learned Counsel for the petitioner in 5. Who is present, has consented to prayer on the, in view of the ground cited, in view of the ground
Yes, sir.
cited for adjournment. Full stop. Any state, anybody from state?
Well,
Mr. Harith Tawa,
I'm there, no.
Learned Counsel, or Learned Additional Advocate General, Arunachal Pradesh is present. Full stop. As sought for and agreed to by the Learned Counsel for the parties, leaves the cases on.
Fourth-
Yes,
4th May.
4th of May.
Yes, Your Lordship.
4th of May.
Highly obliged.
4th of May is what? Which day?
Monday,
Monday, Monday. Your
Monday, okay.
Highly obliged.
Malad, you lords may draw one more line, no more further adjournment. Malad, since 2015, Malad, this case is pending, my lord.
Okay. I don't know. Well, let the, I'll not be there, so I'll not make any comment. That will be again binding for my
Yes.
successor judge.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, I would like to mention item number 4. With the consent of the other side, respondent, this matter may be fixed on 29 April, your lordship,
29 April,
Wednesday next week.
Wednesday. Okay. 29 April is Wednesday.
Wednesday, your lordship.
Okay. On the prayer of Mr.
A. Bhattacharjee.
A. Bhattacharjee, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, lays the case on so-and-so. It is submitted that consent has been taken from the Learned Counsel for the respondents to make the prayer.
Much obliged.
Malad, I put all respondents, man.
Okay.
May I, my lord? My lord, I beg to mention item number 3 of today's list, Your Lordship.
Item number three.
My lord, yes. Leading,
Yes.
leading counsel is not attend court today due to some personal difficulty, your lordship.
Personal difficulty.
Yes, my lord.
2024 matter.
And I have taken consent from other side also, my lord.
Okay. You are Mr.
K. Moses, Shota Moses.
Okay, on the prayer of Mr. K. Moses, learning counsel for the petitioner.
And your lordship, matter may be fixed for 11th May.
List the case on 11/5/2026. It is submitted that consent has been taken from the learned counsel for the respondents to make the prayer.
And your lordship, there is an interim, it may be continued.
The interim order
Okay.
passed earlier, if any, shall continue.
And
the
lordship,
next.
I would like to mention another one, your lordship, which
Another
is 25, item number 25.
25.
Yes, your lordship.
Yes, please.
It may be released, your lordship, after 2 weeks, your lordship.
2 weeks.
Already taken consent from other side also, your lordship.
Okay. Mr. K. Moses,
Yes, lordship.
learned counsel for the petitioner, appearing for the petitioner, has made a prayer for adjournment. First of it is submitted, adjournment of the case for 2 weeks. It is submitted that consent has been taken from the learned counsel for the respondents to make the prayer. First of the prayer is allowed, release the case on so and so.
Deeply obliged.
Back to Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 26, Your Lordship.
26.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, please.
Your Lordship, today there is some difficulty, Your Lordship. Can it be posted for tomorrow, Your Lordship?
Tomorrow, I think I am told division means
Yes. My lord, next Tuesday.
next Tuesday, next Monday.
Tuesday, is not Tuesday, my lord. If it,
So after division
Wednesday,
means it is very difficult to concentrate.
Monday.
Monday?
Monday.
Okay. Mr. D. Panging, learned counsel for the petition is present on the prayer of Miss
P. Sangita.
learned government advocate, leads the case on so and so.
Obliged.
Item number 1.
May it please your lordship. Your lordship, petitioner would like to appear in person, your lordship.
My lord, this is
What is the procedure otherwise, Mr. Navam?
My lord, I'm for the respondent number 1 only, my lord.
For appearing in person?
Your lordship, I have duly submitted the application before the joint registry.
Have you submitted the application before the registry?
Yes, your.
Okay.
My lord,
Yes.
this is regarding the unequal distribution of teaching loads and the unequal allocation of PhD students to the faculties of NIT Arunachal Pradesh. In this regarding,
You were serving as what?
I am presently serving as assistant professor.
Assistant professor.
Yes, in the
Okay.
Department of Computer Science and Engineering.
Yes.
Sir, I would like to draw your attention to page number 73 of 73.
Yes.
Sir, this is the, my lord, this is the minutes of the third meeting of the Council of NITs. The Council of NITs is the highest governing body of all the NITs of the country. And it is chaired.
Council.
Yes, my lord. And
It has an act, right?
yes, it is. It has been
What is the act?
the National Institutes of Technology Act 2007, enacted by the Parliament.
Following, sir. Where it is mentioned that council, where is the mention of council?
Council is mentioned on page number 72.
Page number?
72.
No, in the act. In the act.
In the in the act, my lord, I have not brought the act, but act.
You have partially annexed the act.
Yes, the relevant portion of the
Council. Okay. I
Yes,
take
yes.
your word.
so
Yes.
So in the third meeting of the Council of NITs, which was chaired by the chairman Sri Kapil Sibal, the Honorable Minister of Human Resource Development, Government of India. In this, at the item number 316 and 17 on page number 73.
316.
Yes, 3.16.
Yes.
At paragraph 1, the last third line of paragraph 1.
Yes.
Here it is mentioned, the council approved the decision taken by the standing.
Let us read full paragraph, then only I can understand.
Yes, sir.
Please read.
The council approved the decision taken by the standing committee of the Council of NITs, especially its recommendation on A, removal of anomalies caused by implementation of the 6th CPC recommendations, B, career advancement of faculty, C, uniform recruitment rules for faculty under both existing 3-tier and the flexible 4-tier cadre structures, and D, uniform recruitment rules for non-faculty personnel, all based on the recommendations of Dr. Sarangi Committee. The council appreciated the key features of the recruitment rules, such as emphasis on academic, teaching and research, performance and contribution to institute management as criteria for promotion of faculty, PhD as minimum qualification for regular faculty positions, with provisions for recruitment of MTechs on contract only, restriction of PhD increments to assistant professors with AGP of rupees 6,000 or 7,000. The important part which I want to emphasize is next. Equality of status of faculty recruited against a vacancy or under CAS. Recognition of selection committee. So this is the main emphasis which I want to place before you, my lord. Equality of status of faculty recruited against a vacancy. So all the faculties at NIT has equal status with respect to the teaching load, the research activities. So this, since I've been working in 3 NITs also, and this is the 3rd NIT which I have taken up. So in this, all of us have equal responsibilities, apart from the pay grade. Now, my lord, I would like to draw your attention to page number 78. My lord, this is with respect to the recruitment rules, which is mentioned on page number 74. This
74 is the rules.
No, page number 74.
Is it the rules, or these rules may be called
Yes.
model rules?
These rules may be called.
Has it been gazetted?
Yes, gazetted in the sense these rules have been approved by the NIT Council.
No, has it been gazetted?
This was published, gazetted by the government gazetteer.
Whether publication has been made or not?
I'm not in knowledge of that, sir.
Because without this, it is a model. Otherwise, name is model.
Yes.
Model recruitment rules.
Yes, this is a part of. This was.
This may be followed.
Yes.
But whether it is there is a gazette notification.
My lord, I am not.
Okay.
I'm not in knowledge of that.
Yes.
So according to this model recruitment rule, the NIT faculty recruitment rules 2011, which was approved. So in under this, there is a provision. There is a section called distribution of faculty posts among departments on page 78.
Yes.
So this deals with the matter of distribution of faculty posts among departments. And if we go through the content of this, here we can see that the distribution of faculty posts among department is based on a principle which has been mentioned on page 79, para 1. The above prescription is based on a principle of equal sharing of teaching responsibility among all faculty members, irrespective of rank. In contrast with prescription of AICTE, AICTE is the All India Council for Technical Education. Professors of NIT are expected to take up a larger share of teaching job, particularly in large classes and in common fundamental subjects. This principle has the merit of providing better education in basic subjects. It frees younger faculty to pursue research, particularly those who are enrolled in PhD programs. Experienced faculty are also expected to spend less time in preparing for classes and spend the rest of the time in the institute management. So this is the basic principle on which the distribution of faculty posts among the departments is based. And by this paragraph, the principle has been clearly laid out. This is not only made in 2011 recruitment, there is another recruitment which was later on adopted, and this is on, my lord, on page 87. And this is in continuation of the letter issued by the Ministry of Human Resource Department, which is mentioned on page 80.
Just a minute. Now come to page 81.
Yes. Yes, my
The
lord.
recruitment rules and other guidelines to be adopted by the Board of Governors are attached at Annex 3. Right?
Yes.
Now let us go to the Act. Come to page 63. Section 10. The following shall be authorities of an institute.
Yes, sir.
Board of Governors. Right?
Yes.
So this has to be adopted.
Yes, sir.
Right?
It has, yes.
So page 84. This is the model rule.
Yes.
This has to be adopted.
Yes.
Now where is the adoption? You are NIT?
Arunachal Pradesh.
So
Yes.
Board of Governors of NIT Arunachal Pradesh
Has
has
to
to
adopt.
adopt this recruitment rules.
It has been adopted,
Where is
but wait.
this?
It is on.
This has to be changed by that. There. That is right, no? Not cushion. Last one.
My lord, I have
For this,
I have not attached the document, the minute of the BOG in which this was adopted, but it has been adopted in the minutes of the 10th BOG meeting.
Okay.
I have not brought it here, but I can annex the documents.
Okay.
Oh, and
Yes.
whatever all the acts, letters which I have presented, it has already been adopted. and I
Okay.
can annex in
Okay.
the agenda. Having presumed that, I would again like to emphasize that, again, this matter has been, the principle has been sustained in this particular NIT Recruitment Rule 2013 without any change in the principles. And this, again, the same thing has been emphasized in the letter of MHRD, where some more new rules were incorporated in the existing. And this is on page number 97. '97 and 98.
97 is part of what?
Yes, 97 is part of the letter issued by 94. 97 is part of page 94.
New recruitment rules. This is to be adopted again.
Yes.
Page 94.
Yes, and this
Last word, paragraph 3, last word is are to be adopted.
Yes, yes. All has to be adopted by the BOG.
Board of Governors.
Yes, sir. Yes, my lord.
Yes.
So on these three instances, the ministry has clearly emphasized, laid down this principle of equal sharing of teaching responsibility among all faculty members, irrespective of rank. And my lord, again, I would like to emphasize on page 86, my lord. My lord, page 86 is part of page 84.
Yes.
Here on at point 19, seniority of faculty. Personal prospects as well as responsibilities assigned by the administration in an institute of higher learning should be decided on academic merit, scholastic contributions and performance rather than by service seniority. And this has already been established in the previous Recruitment Rule 2011, where it is clearly mentioned that based on academic merit alone.
No, recruitment rule, ultimately it is to 2017, come to 94. 94, third line.
Yes, yes.
There were new recruitment rules for faculty of these institutions. So this is new, 2017. Don't base your case on 2011. Page 94.
Yes.
I am directed to refer to the Gazette notification by which amendments in the first statute of NITs and statutes of so-and-so SIPUR have been notified, incorporating the new recruitment rules for faculty of these institutions.
Yes.
So this is the one, 2017.
Yes, my lord. So in this also, that's
Is there equal sharing of teaching responsibility?
And then the seniority is also mentioned there, but I have not reproduced the that particular aspect.
Yes.
So my lord, my submission.
What is this?
So
Next.
based on these are the submissions.
Yes.
Based on this, I am submitting that in NIT Arunachal Pradesh, they have passed the Senate of NIT Arunachal Pradesh, they have passed a rule whereby they have assigned less teaching loads to professors and then to associate professors.
Which one?
And this is on just yes, sir. Just a second. One thousand minus 47. 47 वाला नहीं ये 47 minute
Second. He has come to page 99, which part?
yes page number 99 page number 100 my lord,
Yes.
which is part of page 99 here at agenda item 52.13, ratification and approval for minutes of the meeting of HODs with dean faculty held on this regarding the teaching load for members of faculty. A meeting of HODs with dean faculty welfare was held on 12th regarding the teaching load for the members of faculty. The minute of the aforementioned meeting is placed. In the said minutes under agenda item number regarding teaching load allocation, following is proposed. Professor 8 contact hours, associate professor 12 contact
Where is
hours.
that annexure 54.14?
Sir, my lord, it has not been annexed.
Huh?
That
Because regions might be there. Only the regions.
yes.
The minute of the aforementioned meeting is placed in annexure 54.14. Refer to page number 78 to 79. Right?
Yeah.
The regions must be whatever is discussed. Because we cannot take it on the face value that equal sharing of teaching responsibility among all faculty members mean only that professors should take lesser number of contact hours. Teaching responsibility is a wholesome thing,
Yes.
right? Not just taking classes for 8 hours or 16 hours.
Yes, my lord.
Right?
Yes, my lord.
Teaching responsibility is a wholesome responsibility. How they have discussed and how they have arrived at a view that 8 contact hours or 12 contact hours or 16 contact hours for different faculties. Because this is irrespective of rank. It is clear that professor is higher in rank. No doubt about it. Associate professor is higher in rank to assistant professor. No doubt about it. Irrespective of rank, there should be sharing of responsibility, teaching responsibility.
My lord.
Teaching responsibility does not mean always that taking up classes.
Yes, my lord.
We cannot equate both.
Yes, my
unless we see the regions.
Yes, my lord. So this is my humble submission. Since the ministry has also
Now, what relief you want? You are challenging this.
So
without knowing the region, how can we decide? Because it has been elaborately discussed in that minute. Page 100.
Yes.
The minute of the aforementioned meeting. Right. They have referred to page 78 and 79. And after that, they have ratified it, approved it.
My lord.
Regions are there.
Yes, my lord. My lord, they have not, as per RTI, they should have uploaded it on the website.
That I do not know.
They have not uploaded, so I could not procure.
And that I do not know because
yes, I am submitting my reasons for my inability to submit that before you. But then I assure that I will obtain and submit the annexure.
Because without knowing that we don't, because as my primacy view, teaching responsibility does not mean always that taking up classes.
Yes, my lord, I totally agree. The ministry is
maybe guiding PhD scholar, maybe guiding MPhil scholar. If suppose, on the other hand, a professor
yes, my lord,
guides 20 number of PhD students, and assistant professor is permitted to guide 10 number of students, then, for example, citing.
Yes, my lord.
Then you have to bring wholesome comparison Not only
yes, my lord,
limited
in
to
my-
class hours.
Yes, my lord. The second submission is on the allocation of PhD students also.
No, I don't know. I
No,
have just hypothetically, I am saying it.
Yes,
Right.
my lord. My submission is in line with your.
No, what relief you are?
So, my lord, my first, there are two submissions in this petition. First is that this rule is in violation, allegedly in violation.
That can be examined.
Yes, examined.
Right. That can
Yes,
be examined
yes.
subject to receipt of response from the appropriate authorities, right?
Yes, my lord. And my lord, the other submission is that they have also,
For understanding that interim prayer, it is difficult. Unless we see the minutes.
yes, my lord, I will submit it in the next. And my lord, the other point is that the authorities have taken decision to allocate PhD students unequal, differentiated. They have framed a policy in which PhD students are allocated to the faculties in a differentiated manner.
That I
Which
don't
is-
know.
yes.
We are not experts. We are not domain experts. It
Ye-
came to my mind, so I put it across you, right?
Yes, that is in my written submission.
Huh.
That is also submitted, my lord. I have
But
made
we
the
can issue notice at this stage. But so far this minute is concerned, unless we see.
and my lord, this as I had previously presented that the seniority is based only on the merit. So as faculties, this becomes a very important thing. And on the top of that, there is no credit given for.
Whom you have made parties? Let us see.
My lord, I have made parties to the Union of India, NIT Arunachal Pradesh, through the director, then the chairperson of the Senate who made these decisions, and the Dean of Academics.
To the director, NIT, chairperson, NIT. And which is the department? Higher education.
Yes, my lord.
As on date, we can issue notice at this stage.
And my lord, my interim prayer is that, yes, since PhD, the allocation of PhD students directly, we have, we get points on that, on which our career progression is and 100% dependent. So now, if an junior assistant professor is deprived of
Right.
then my lord.
Mr. Arun,
Yes, my lord.
at this stage, we can issue notice.
Yes, my lord. What I am
Only notice.
my lord, my little
These are
submission.
subject matter of further examination.
So my lord, what I am submitting is that maybe the admission for PhD may not be maybe continue to allow, but then my lord, what I'm submitting is that the points.
Then, Mr.
The points-
Arun, I'll not keep it open. I'll decide it on the basis of materials.
No, it's my submission. Like,
Right. If you make submission, I'm deciding it. I'm making it clear. Otherwise, I'll keep it open for consideration at an appropriate stage. But today, as on date, I am not with all the materials.
Yes.
Sharing of teaching responsibility does not mean always number of contact hours. This is my tentative view.
yes, I totally agree.
There are
my
many
lord.
other factors.
Yes, my lord.
Like,
Yes.
say for equal pay for equal work, just the mention of rank is not enough. But there are many factors, 10, 15 factors, which are to be compared. And these are domain of experts,
Yes, my lord.
not of court. Right?
Yes, my lord.
So we should keep our hands off normally without knowing the wholesome responsibility of the faculty members. We cannot pass any interim order.
Yes, ma'am.
We can issue notice.
Yes, my lord. You may.
Yes, Mr.
Yes, ma'am. At this stage, my lord, notice may be issued.
Ah.
Moreover, my lord, the
We'll
council.
keep the interim prayer for consideration at
Well,
an appropriate stage.
My lord, moreover, my lord, the NIT council for the NIT is not appearing today, my lord, and they have their own.
Because they are the domain experts.
My lord.
And you please bring the minutes on record.
Yes, my lord.
Then only we can find out why contact hours have been differentiated? 8 hours, 12 hours, 16 hours.
Yes, my lord.
Right?
Yes, my lord.
Because a professor may have other responsibilities.
Yes, my lord.
I don't know about NIT, but so far as, say, UGC, I think a professor has to guide more students than associate professor or statutorily. Statutorily. I don't know about NITs. Right? So I cannot comment upon it. A professor may be permitted to take, say, 10 PhD students, but an associate professor may be permitted to take 8 PhD students. An assistant professor may be permitted to take maximum 6. Say, for example, I don't know, but this is in place.
Yes, my lord.
So sharing of teaching responsibility equally does not mean only or confined to contact hours.
Yes, my lord.
So unless you get the minutes on place, and unless we get the response from the at least a council who is equipped with the instruction, we cannot consider this interim pair.
Yes, my lord.
And stopping PhD student from admission, it will be disastrous.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, council, anything you want to say?
No,
Legal submission.
no, Your Lordship.
Heard Mr. Dr. B. Arun, the petitioner in person, and Mr. A. N. Ratan.
My lord, I am Kato, my
Oh,
lord.
sorry, M. Khato.
I am for the respondent number 1 only, my lord.
Okay. Deputy Solicitor General of India
My lord.
for the respondent number 1. Okay, we have to issue notice.
Yes, my lord.
The petitioner in person has submitted that by the model rules as well as by the model rules framed in 2011, 2013, and 2017, which have been adopted by the NIT, Arunachal Pradesh,
Yes.
which have been adopted by the Board of Governors of the NIT, Arunachal Pradesh. It is a mandate. It is it has been it is a settled principle that there shall be equal sharing of teaching responsibility among all faculty members of the NIT, irrespective of their ranks.
Yes.
Full stop. The faculty, in contrast with the prescription of the AICTE, the professors of NIT are expected to take up larger share of the teaching job, page 98, particularly in large classes and in common fundamental subjects. Full stop. The region in the letter number, page 94, F number 33, so and so dated 30/11/2017. The Ministry, the Department of Higher Education, Ministry of HRD, Government of India, had directed to adopt such a principle, finding merit in that the principle would provide better education in basic subjects, and it would free younger faculty to pursue research, particularly those who are enrolled in PhD program, Full stop. The petitioner is aggrieved by a decision taken in the 52nd Senate meeting of the NIT Arunachal Pradesh, held on 4/9/2024, whereby the Senate has approved a proposal regarding teaching load allocation in the following manner. Professor, there's 8 contact hours, associate professor, there's 12 contact hours, and assistant professor, there's 16 contact hours, full stop. It is a submission of the petitioner that the proposal adopted is in clear violation of the principle of equal sharing of teaching responsibility among all faculty members.
Yes. My lord, one humble submission. This is with regard to page number 11, where different numbers of PhD students have been allocated based on the rank. But this is also on page number 111. Decision. This is part of page number 109.
Have you made specific challenge to it?
Yes, my lord. And this is also in violation of the same principle.
He has also, petitioner is also agreed by the decision taken in agenda item number 55.12 regarding intake and selection list. This 55.12?
Yes, my lord. My lord, it is on page number 111, it is mentioned a policy. They have framed a policy, taken a decision on the matter of policy.
Which para? In which para is your pleading? Which para?
My lord, it's on page 3518.
Page 35.
Where the entire history, like all the decisions taken have been discussed, and then
Regarding maximum intake of PhD students
yes,
among faculties of different ranks. Full stop. Mr. Swenso Lanet, DY has submitted.
my lord, actually the main contention has one main submission. This was on the policy part, but on the there was a PhD interview this was held last year. In that, 5 PhD students selected me as the supervisor for their PhD work. And that was based on the advertisement which I have submitted, all the details. But then after we had submitted the final list, the Senate took a decision overruling all the policies and made a new rule which is stated in the 55th. And by that, I was deprived of my allocation of the PhD students to me in that particular instance, advertisement.
Where is
it
that
was
advertisement?
Retrospectively, it was taken. My lord, it is, so decision was taken.
Where is the advertisement?
Yes, my lord. Annexure 13 is on, Annexure 13 is on 13 on page 112, my lord. All the proceedings, due proceedings, we completed the selection process of PhD students as per the rules. But we had, from the department, we had submitted the final list of selected PhD students. And in that, 4 students selected my name. But then suddenly they came up with a new order whereby I was deprived.
Take me one by one. Otherwise, how can I understand? We don't sit in NIT.
Yes, my lord.
Please take one by one. 112.
Yes, my lord.
Yes. What is this?
My lord, this is the advertisement.
This is advertisement.
Yes.
Yes. Then what happened?
So then, my lord,
114.
114.
What is this?
So this is
applied. 39 candidates applied.
Yes, my lord.
In the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Right?
Yes, my lord.
And reviewed all the documents provided. Recognized the following as qualified for a written test, followed by an interview. So 39 candidates, applications found complete. Then what happened?
Yes, my lord. My lord, then on page number 117.
117. Yes.
This was email.
Please find the final list. Full-time shortlisted candidate for possible admission.
Yes, my lord.
The Department of Social, please inform me by this evening, 3 p.m. if any change or update is necessary. Okay, this head of the department, computer science, has said.
Yes, my lord. On the next.
Yes.
118. So here we can see that 4 students.
Provisional admission for July. Yes. 5 students.
Yes, my lord.
Or 8. 8 number of students for what?
5.
Huh?
5.
5.
Yes.
5. And a number of ongoing part-time PhD scholars against particular supervisor.
Yes.
So you have 8.
Yes, my lord.
The other one has 3.
Yes, my lord.
So
this was based on.
This again, if you have already 8, taking 5 more, is it equal sharing of responsibility?
My lord,
no,
my lord, my humble submission is that before this, there was a rule where it says, as per according to.
Now, what happened ultimately?
Ultimately, they took a decision which is on 119. 119.
119.
Where a new decision was made.
These are matter to be examined. Maximum intake 8 per faculty, 4 full-time faculty, PhD scholars, right? These are decisions taken by experts.
But
Mr.
But my lord,
petitioner in person has also submitted that in the selection process, undertaken for selecting candidates for PhD programs, which was initiated by by an advertisement dated 6/3/2025. The petitioner has been treated in a discriminatory manner by the respondent NIT Arunachal Pradesh authorities, by the authorities in the NIT Arunachal Pradesh. By taking a policy decision restricting, by taking a policy decision to restrict maximum number of PhD scholars under a particular supervisor. Post up. The matter would require consideration, issue notice, returnable on so-and-so. As Mr. So-and-so, DY as GY, has appeared and accepted notice on behalf of the respondent number 1. No formal notice, extra copy. By within 2 working days, a petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 224 by speed post within 2 working days. The prayer for interim relief is kept open for consideration after appearance of the learned, after appearance of the respondent number 224 in the proceeding.
Obliged, my lord.
I'll just rise for a minute. I am not comfortable with the chair. The change of chair. I am having some back pain. It will lower the
Yes, sure.
much Jackson. I'm not comfortable with chair with cushions.
Well, even we are also facing the same problem here. Well,
Severe back pain, lower back pain. এই টান কুশনটো যে আছে না এইটো চেয়াৰ এইটো লাষ্টৰ চেয়াৰটো
वो अभी आएगा ना वो मालूम है हमें वो लास्ट वाला क्वेश्चन को एक बार देख लो Item number 14.
Yes.
Item number 14.
Yes, madam.
Lordship,
You are not filing your response.
Yes, Lordship, we are yet to receive instruction, Lordship.
Okay, there is no representation on behalf of the petitioner today and call Miss
Waigao, Lordship, on behalf of M. Kato, Lordship.
M. Kato,
Yes, Lordship.
Learned Deputy Solicitor General of India, has submitted that instructions are awaited to file a counter affidavit on behalf of the respondents and has sought for 4 weeks' time to obtain the necessary instruction and to file the counter affidavit on behalf of the respondents. The prayer is allowed. Release the case on so and so. After 4 weeks, date, give a date.
Obliged, Lordship.
Item number 15.
Yes.
I'm appealing for respondent number 17 to 26.
17 to 26. Petitioner. 17 to 26. Yes, who is for the petitioner?
Outside, my senior is outside. He's coming on the way.
What is the matter about? All affidavits filed.
We have filed, their response has not come. So far as we are concerned, we have filed the affidavit.
State.
On behalf of 14, you file your. File on behalf of the other.
1 minute. Mr. Soikia, you are for 17 to
26.
26. We have filed the affidavit in application.
26.
I
Then
am for respondent number 27, my lord.
Mr. Singh is for 27. Anybody for 28? No.
So ordered.
Mr. For state 1, 2, 3, 4. Who is 5? Who is for 5? Yes, private one. Council service. On behalf of accept notice.
Petition.
Council submits that. One, two. Seven to 11. Who is present? Whom?
HK Jammu appearing for respondent number 28 as per the order dated 26/3/26.
26. That's a hard one. Soikia is 17 to
26.
17 to 26. Singh is for 27.
HK Jammu for 28.
HK Jammu.
Jammu.
Which order?
26/3/2026.
Okay.
And Mr. Panging is for 26.
16. He is for 16.
16, my lord. As per the same order dated 26th March.
BK Sharma. Okay, Jammu. 28. So, and how many? Are there state respondents or what? 1, 2, 3. Huh? These 7, 8, 9, 10, all these are. Huh? 7 to.
Lord, I am appearing for 7 to 11.
Okay.
Lord, we have raised the question of maintainability.
Just a minute. 7 to
11.
11.
Hello.
7 to 11. Okay. Now state.
Your Lordship,
Just let me get it over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 12.
12, 13, 14
13.
are also official.
Yes. No,
15.
and what is this political assistant? He is also an official.
It appears that order dated 3/3/26, respondent number 1, 3, 4, 6, 12, 13, 14, and 15.
1, 3,
Correspond.
1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12.
13,
Yes,
14.
I have correctly point.
15.
Now, who are left?
They are represented by
5 is left.
5 is left out.
5 is left. So then 7 to 11, okay, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 to 7. So only 5 is left.
5 is left.
Any notice was directed to respond number 5?
Same petition, same order, 3/3/26, paragraph 2. It appears from the record that notices issued to respondent number 5 to 27 have already been held to be
Okay.
duly served.
Okay, done.
5 and 27.
Now Mr. Soikia has filed affidavit.
I have filed affidavit.
Singh has filed.
Fine, my lord.
Mr. Patin has filed.
Patin has filed.
Panging has filed.
Pangin has.
Then Jamo.
Lordship is on legs, Lordship.
You have filed affidavit.
I'm not aware of it, sir.
Not aware. So 5 is served.
Basically, I think Mr.
Now who is for the petitioner?
No, Lordship.
Petitioner is absent.
We all have assembled, my lord, looking for the petitioner.
Yes, Mahmood Pracha.
Because everybody raised the question of maintainability of the petition.
Okay.
Maybe because of that.
Maybe because of that. We can take another chance next Monday.
Yes. Next month. We'll make an.
If we find that the petitioner is absent, we'll dismiss.
Yes.
With an observation.
Monday ki bana
Or otherwise we'll proceed.
On the question.
What do you say? Okay, there is no representation on behalf of the petitioner today on call. Petitioners to stop. Mr. T. Patin.
For number 7 to 11.
Learned counsel for the respondent number 7 to 11. Mr. D. Panging, learned counsel for the respondent number 16. Mr. P.J. Soikia, as senior counsel listed by Mr. P. Bordolo, learned counsel for the respondent number 17 to 26. Mr. S.K. Singh, learned senior counsel listed by Mr.
B.K. Sharma, my lord.
B.K. Sharma, learned counsel for the respondent number 27, virtual mode. And Miss.
Respondent 20th.
Your name, please.
M. Bori.
M. More.
M. Bori.
Bori,
On
learned
behalf of
counsel on
HK.
behalf of Mr. H.K. Jamo, learned counsel for the respondent number 8 are present. Full stop. As per order dated 3/3/2026, service of notice upon the respondent number 5 is complete. Full stop. The learned counsel for the respondents have reiterated that the issue of maintainability of the writ petition is to be considered first. Full stop. As there is no representation on behalf of the petitioner today on call, let the case come up for of justice be listed again on Monday. Full stop. It is observed that in the event of non-representation on behalf of the petitioner on the next occasion, the court might consider to pass appropriate order due to non-representation or would take up the issue of maintainability of the
The may I pay
Obliged.
some accommodation with the date, my lord. Can it be on 4th May or my lord 29th of April? my lord?
Not on 4th May, my lord. Then it will be on.
Then
Or 29th of April, my lord. Wednesday.
It will be
Instead,
on Tuesday. You can
29.
appear on this thing also.
29.
BBC also.
29.
Wednesday. Obliged.
Obliged.
Item number 16 and 17.
May it please your lordship, my lord. I'm sorry, my
Yes.
lord, physically I could not be present in the court. So
Ah.
I'm through virtual mode. With your lordship permission,
Yes.
if your lordship kindly see the order of
Petition number,
11th of
what
March 2026, item number
Petition
15,
number,
16. 11th of March
March.
2026 order. Yes,
11th of March.
2026 order.
Yes.
With your lordship permission, can I read this order? Then it will be very clear. If
Ah.
your lordship looks into paragraph 2, my lord. Paragraph 2, Roman 1. Paragraph 2, Roman 1. The petitioners, may I read, my lord, with your lordship permission?
Ah.
Petitioners, scheduled tribes of Arunachal Pradesh and belongs to various clans, namely so and so, and their villages are situated in the Tiding region, and they have been residing in the aforesaid villages since time immemorial when their forefathers settled there. The existence of the forefathers or petitioner could be found much before independence, and names of some of the forefathers appeared in the census of 1951 as well as subsequent works. These petitioners have been recognized by the government by providing them various facilities, gun license, birth certificate, so and so, which reflect their residency status in the region. In 13/12/1977, a notification was issued by Secretary for an exercise of power conferred under Section 5 of the Assam Forest Regulation 1891, read with Section 3 of the Arunachal Pradesh so and so, whereby the governor of Arunachal Pradesh was pleased to declare the proposal to constitute the land described in the schedule annex a reserve forest and to appoint the Deputy Commissioner Lohit District Tezpur to be the forest settlement officer to inquire into and determine the existence, nature and extent of any rights claimed by or alleged to exist in favor of any person in or over any land within the limits described in the said schedule. If there are any claims relating to practice within such limits of June cultivation and deal with the same as provided in Chapter 2 of the said regulation. Why the aforesaid notification the petition or other villages residing in the aforesaid region of Delhi proposed reserve forest have been deprived from the rightful claim of the land they traditionally owned from time immemorial. The clans of the petitioner are in possession of the aforesaid land from time immemorial through which the proposed so and so road passes, and as such they are entitled to compensation. They being the absolute landowners, but the same are denied to them on the ground. There will be no acquisition of land as the alignment of frontier highway under so and so falls under Delhi for proposed reserve forest. When the petitioner came to know about the construction of frontier highway, the petitioner made various representations to the authorities, ventilating their grievances. However, on 4/7/2025, without responding to the representation, the impugn notice was issued by the DC Lohit District, Teju, stating that the alignment of frontier highway under Lohit District from so and so falls under Delhi proposed reserve forest, and therefore there will be no acquisition of any land. Petitioner made several representations before various authorities, including some of the respondent herein. But the Deputy Commissioner issued another impugn circular dated 5/9/2025, stating again that the existing alignment of so and so is a greenfield alignment without any habitation settlement. Hence, compensation cannot be considered in the area of Delhi proposed reserve forest. Therefore, another notification dated 8/10/2025 was issued, whereby the Chief Secretary, Government of Arunachal Pradesh, directed the concerned authority to the construction work of so without granting compensation to the original inhabitants residing in the villages. Petitioner case is that in spite of several implementation objections, subject each time of the request of the aforesaid responsible authority have neither gave any opportunity to them to ventilate the response to any implementation objection. The petitioner case is that from time immemorial, Their forefathers have been settling and residing in the region. The same has been continuing till date. They have every right over there and reside and cultivating. And therefore, by taking away their land and by using for construction of frontier highway without paying any compensation claim is sure violation of the rights under the Constitution of India. Being aggrieved so and so, the petitioner has filed. So and so submits petitioner are indigenous tribe belonging to a trading region whereby the proposed frontier highway will run through. He submits that the petitioner with their families have been residing, cultivating various crops as well. They have other assets in those lands much before the end of before the effects of 13/12/1977 issued by Secretary for declaring the region to be Dalai proposed reserve forest. He submits that though the notification was issued under Rule 5 of the Assam Forest Regulation, the same was done without proper demarcation of the land. The same is evident from the fact in the aforesaid notification, a noting has been made. Area of 50 square kilometers have been excluded from the above scheduled area of Dalai proposed reserve forest for the use of villagers without actually identifying the aforesaid 50 square kilometers. He further submits that though the preliminary notification was issued under Rule 5, no follow-up action was carried out by the respondent authorities, and there was no proclamation by the forest settlement officer under Section 6, as well as any inquiry by a forest settlement officer, as per Rule 8 of the aforementioned Assam Forest Regulation 1891. He submits that it is a repeated fact. No final notification has been issued under the aforesaid Regulation 1891. He submits respondent authority in the RTR reply 6/2025 has intimated that no final notification under Section 17 of the Assam Forest Regulation 1891 has been issued by the respondent authority till date. He further submits the very initiation of the process, the concerned DFO has intimated that DC Lohit District Tiju by the letter dated 21/2/2025 to the effect if the said area of 384.90 hectares is a part of 50 square kilometers excluded from Dalai proposed reserve forest for use of villagers, then the department has no objection for acquisition of said land subject to consent of the affected villager. However, he submits that the issue highlighted by DFO was not looked into the instant case, thereby depriving the petitioner. Insofar as final notification, learned senior counsel for the petitioner submits, there are several judgments to the Honorable Guwahati High Court, namely so and so, passed in writ petition 290 of 2014, decided on 16/6/2023, and the case of so and so, report in 2025 SCC Online Guwahati 5, wherein the Honorable Guwahati High Court has specifically held that if the preliminary notification could not be brought to its logical conclusion by way of a final notification, considering the proposed reserve forest, the same cannot be claimed as a reserve forest. In view of the above, learned senior counsel submit that for sake of argument, if the aforesaid invalidity of the declaration of the Dalai proposed reserve forest is not considered for a while, petitioner lands falls under the aforesaid 50 square kilometers mentioned the aforesaid notification dated 13/12/1977. Petitioner land could not have been used for construction of the aforesaid frontier highway by the respondent authority without paying them any compensation. He submits that the lands have been used for construction by destroying various growing crops like oranges, cardamom, pineapple, etc. without paying them any compensation. Yet he submits that it is not disputable, rather it is admitted by respondent authority. Respondent petitioner are resident of those villages which are situated in the region wherein the frontier highway is being constructed. However, only taking the plea of Dalai proposed reserve forest, the petitioner have been deprived of any compensation as far as the land is concerned. He submits that their growing crops have been destroyed without making any assessment of their loss. In view of the aforesaid, learned so and so submits he has made out a case for interim relief, and if such interim relief is not granted, petitioner will suffer irreparable loss which cannot be compensated at all. Learned senior submits interim relief to the effect that a temporary stay of ongoing construction in respect of so and so for a limited time shall not prejudice the respondent, as the wrong which has been committed by the respondent authority cannot be allowed to carry on. Therefore, he prays for constitution a committee involving all the stakeholders, including representative of the petitioner, to carry out such survey and verification as to the land that have been used in the construction process, and thereafter submit a report before this court. Learned senior counsel further praised for a survey of the crop that have already been destroyed and therefore fair compensation the petitioner against such destruction. He submits that though the frontier highway is an important project, the respondent authorities have totally ignored the rights of the petitioner by not responding to the
Yes,
grievances.
today
and are
this
not paying.
construction, yes, Mr. Das, I have read.
No,
Now,
Your
paragraph 9.
Lordship. Yes, there are some paragraph 9, Your Lordship has seen that there is a direction which is given to for
Yes.
constitution a committee. And according 30 days, within 30 days, they have to be completed. Now,
Yes.
I don't know what step the government has taken. The government has, these are public important projects, my lord. We don't, that's why I
Yes.
said that as soon as possible if they complete. So I have been
Yes,
told, I
Mr.
am not very sure that it is lying with the chief secretary's table. I don't know whether it is correct or not. That's only the information I have got. Now, it is an approval which is given by chief secretary and everything will be, within 2 weeks they can do it, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Nawam.
If your lordship so pleases.
My lord, now your lordship.
Committee has been constituted. Sorry for disturbing. I'm sorry for disturbing my learned friend. One only submission, my lord. Committee has been constituted. Only the matter is lying before the chief secretary table. That's what I have been.
What is the latest?
All right, my lord. My lord, it says, my lord, the landed senior counsel, my lord, is, my lord, very informative, my lord. And his information, my lord, whatever information he collected is not wrong, my lord. My lord, having said that, my lordship says, my lord, the interim order passed by the Honorable Court. It is because of the, my lord, prayer made by the petitioner for constituent committee, my lord. Right, my lord? Then operative portion, paragraph 9 is very clear, my lord. Now, what we have done, my lord, as per this interim order, my lord. Now, my lord, deputy commissioner, my lord, had, my lord, constitutional committee, my lord. And this constitutional committee must be approved by the chief secretary because the interim order says so, my lord. Under the supervision of chief secretary, my lord.
Yes.
Then, my lord, landed senior counsel, Mr. Das, information is very correct, my lord. The entire thing has been placed before the chief secretary, my lord. Now, Lord, my lord, this is the letter, my lord, I have. Now, as per this deputy commissioner communication, my lord, made on 16 May, my lord, 8 members are there, my lord. This is only, my lord, officers. They will be reckoned by logistic support, my lord. Right, my lord? Logistic support, manpower, machine, all the things, my lord. Only my question, my lord, in compliance of the interim directive from this court, my lord, we have constituted. My lord, for doing exercise, my lord, who will bear the cost, my lord? Who will bear the cost, my lord? Why, my lord, your lordship may not ask to, my lord, exercise this, my lord, from own public money, my lord. These are the private interests, my lord, on the prayer made by the petitioner. Your lordship has directed the committee. We have constituted, my lord. Now, my humble prayer, my lord.
The question?
Is the petitioner, my lord. My lord, your lordship may direct the private
Nawam or the chief secretary?
My lord, the petitioner, my your lordship may direct the petitioner to bear the cost, my lord. Because it's a private interest, my lord, not a public interest, my lord. It's a private interest, my lord.
The case of the petitioner is that they are residing there since time immemorial, whatever.
My lord.
Prior to independence.
Your lordship may kindly.
Notification under 5, which was not taken to finality.
Agreed.
Right.
Agreed, man.
And what proposed reserve forest
is
notification indicates that henceforth no right would be acquired by anybody.
Correct.
Right.
Right, man.
And the deputy commissioner and the DFO, whoever settlement officer, he will decide the claim. And thereafter, final notification, perhaps under section 17.
7 or 8, my lord.
17 would be issued after following a process.
Correct, my lord.
Right. But proposed reserve forest by notification, right? If my understanding is correct, or if my memory is correct, no fresh right would be acquired. No fresh right.
Correct, my lord.
And those who have claims, right, they will be given the right, forest right, by the settlement officer, by
Yes,
the
my lord.
committee.
Correct.
So you did not take that process to a logical conclusion after notification. under section 5.
Correct, my lord.
They have a claim.
My lord.
You should have, if that process was taken to logical conclusion,
My lord.
their rights could have been decided. That right was not decided. You set tight since 1977.
My lord.
Set over it.
My lord, I'm not
So
disputing.
as on that it is not a for reserve forest. It is proposed reserve forest, which proposal has continued for last 50 years.
50 years, my lord. Yes.
Right. This is the, I don't know whether it is lapse or not.
My lord,
By proposed reserve forest, you cannot do anything.
as per my lord, Assam Forest
Your-
Reserve, there is no concept of
claim
lapses,
could
my
have
lord.
been right. Yes.
My lord. My lord, if I correctly remember, my lord, under section 5, my lord, that preliminary
Let us
notification.
have that forest
My
regulation
lord,
then.
there is no any such time-bound period,
Forest
my lord.
regulation.
60 something.
In item number 17, 16, next case, I have annexed that provisions.
Some forest regulation.
Yes. Page
My lord,
53, my lord. 53 annexer 2, my lord.
'53.
50?
52, my lord.
My lord, start from 53, my lord.
Ah.
1891, my lord, yes. So as per records, it says, my lord, under section 5.
Let us go one by one.
My lord, here,
Section
just,
5. Where is section 5?
my lord, just one clarification. Most probably,
Page 59, my
a
lord.
copy of the proclamation were not available with my senior friend, Mr. Das. But my lord, here, after section 5, the preliminary notification proclamation also was issued under 6. And thereafter, nothing had been happened. Nothing had been.
Notification by state government to constitute a reserve forest.
Yes, my lord. 59, my lord. Notification by state government or proposal to constitute a reserve forest, my lord. Then section 6 is the proclamation, my lord. It was done.
Now section 7.
From section 7
There
onwards.
is bar of accrual of forest right.
Bharat.
Right.
Yes, my lord.
Once, see, during the interval between the publication of such proclamation,
Correct, my lord.
there is after the date of proclamation, and date fixed by notification declaring the forest to be reserved. No right shall be acquired.
My lord.
But if there is already a right,
Yes.
that has to be decided.
That has been decided, my lord.
No right shall be acquired in or over.
After, my lord.
After.
My lord.
After proclamation.
Absolutely.
Let us assume for a moment there is a proclamation.
My lord.
Except
No right. But the case of the petitioner is that they have a
Prior to, my lord.
prior to.
Correct, my lord.
Prior to 1977.
Correct, my lord.
Right.
My lord.
In that case, when they are seeking their right under Article 300A
My lord.
of the Constitution, is it not the state duty of the welfare state to decide on a matter where a direction has been issued by the court to do the exercise?
Exercise, my lord.
Why you are harping on cost?
My lord. Why, my lord? Because, my lord.
You have the records.
My lord. Subject to your
You
lordship
have the
correction,
records.
my lord.
You have the circle officer. You have the land revenue officer. You have the revenue staff.
Correct, my lord.
Right.
Correct, my
You
lord.
have to render your assistance.
My lord. My lord, in compliance of your lordship directives, we have already constituted the my lord, committees, my lord.
Have
Now,
you taken 5 stakeholders from the petitioner
yes,
side?
my lord, yes.
You have inducted them.
Yes, yes.
Then
Yes.
why not you proceed? Why
Then-
you are waiting
Then,
for
then, then, my lord, since my lord, they have come under 226, my lord, subject to your lordship correction, my lord. Now, my lord, now they are saying, my lord, that they are the late owners, my lord. Prior to my lord, preliminary notification,
say for example
my lord,
in Assam Land and Revenue Regulation 1886.
my lord,
Like in Arunachal Pradesh, what is there? What is the provision? What is the regulation?
my lord, to claim a title, my lord, as I've said, my lord, subject to your lordship correctives, my lord, because we may not have a exact land law like Assam. We may not have any record, but there must be something, my lord, foundation to claim that I am the owner of that land, my lord. There must be some official record or by any authority, my lord, certifying that yes, prior to, my lord, this notification, my lord, these petitioners, my lord, they are the inhabitant of that area and they are the owner of the land. They have not produced any document. Simply saying that prior to notification, my generation, all these things, my lord.
My point is that is there similar kind of regulation in Arunachal Pradesh? If we go by the provisions of the regulation,
my lord,
some survey works, right, cost, etc. Right. If you go by the provisions of the regulation, it is hardly say 50 rupees, 100 rupees. If you don't want to bear that cost, so that is why I want to see your regulation. It will be hardly 50 rupees or 100 rupees.
My lord.
Show us. If you want the petitioner to bear the cost, show us the provision.
My lord.
Circle officer, DC, is making claim for cost. Let us see the provision then.
No, my
if we go by the provision of Assam Land and Regulation, it will be hardly 500 rupees.
My lord, compensation, my lord.
No compensation.
My lord.
Regarding survey.
Regarding survey.
Ah, yes.
My lord. My lord, why
if you're harping on cost, that is why I am saying.
My lord. No, that was just a proposal, my lord.
No.
It's a proposal, my
proposal has to be with the strength of a regulation.
My lord, why I am saying, my lord.
Show us the notification. What is the cost? Suppose a person says that my land area be demarcated.
My lord.
Right?
My lord.
The land under my possession be demarcated. What will be the cost? Maybe 100 rupees. Maybe 100 rupees.
But the person who is asking...
Show us the notification.
The person...
I'll ask the petitioner to be at a cost.
That's why I've said, my lord.
If you are so serious about it.
That's why I've said, my lord. My lord, subject to your lordship correction. Your lordship rightly said, my lord. In Assam...
No, I record that Deputy Commissioner, Chief Secretary is asking for...
No.
No, then I record.
No, my lord. No.
Your submission.
My lord. It was just...
Right. Then give us the notification of demarcation cost. At least.
Just now you lordship...
Hardly 100 rupees.
Just now your lordship has said, my lord. In Assam, my lord, the person who is seeking, my lord, demarcation...
We have a right to Public Services Act. Right. Fees are prescribed for making survey and all. Correct. Because these are public services. These are not private services. Demarcation of my own land in Assam, it is public services. Right. Circle officer, he has to make an application, deposit a fee of ₹100 rupees. Then circle officer, all these land chainmen, recorders, they would go and demarcate the area.
Correct.
And it is just for processing the application 100 rupees.
My lord.
Right.
Maybe, my lord. Yes.
These are the cost.
My lord.
These are termed as public services.
Correct, my lord.
Right.
Right.
These are not private services.
But
if you go by our Assam statute, we don't know, I don't know about Nagaland statute, Arunachal Pradesh, if there is any act like that, Assam Arunachal Pradesh Public Services Act. Right?
My lord, there is no such any notification, there is no such any circular issue by any competent authority.
These are public duty.
These are public duty.
These are public services.
My lord.
Right. And court has passed a detailed order.
My lord.
Right. At that point of time, it did not raise any issue.
My lord. That's why I've said, my lord, because
let us proceed with that.
My lord, we have already proceeded, my lord. I can give a copy to your lordship for a record, my lord.
Yes,
the copy,
please proceed. Whether it has received approval of the Chief Secretary or not.
My lord, that instruction, my lord, I have to take, my lord.
Then you can proceed. It will be hardly how much area they are claiming.
My lord, they are claiming more than 50 kilometers, my lord. My lord, now, my lord, this...
Where is that part? That some noting about 50 square kilometers?
My lord...
Your lordship will kindly see...
Yes.
Yes, for
Mr.
three...
I have seen.
Yes.
In in Partin's petition is 72.
Yes, my lord.
Yes. Mine is number 3, my lord. In the order itself, it is noted, my lord.
That has been noted. I have seen.
Yes.
In the notification dated 13 December 1977, page 72.
Correct, right.
Correct.
Mr.
this should
Martin's
only-
petition.
Yes.
This is the committee.
Just a minute,
Now, my lord,
just a minute.
your lordship got the total land, my lord. That item number, my lord, 16, my lord. Total length is, my lord, 61.5 kilometer, my lord. This total length has to be measured.
This has been, this committee suggested by the
Deputy Commissioner.
Commission has been
Forwarded to
approved.
the Chief Secretary, my lord.
It has been sent.
Yes, my lord.
And petitioners 5 representative.
Yes, my lord. Serial number 5, my lord.
Okay.
5 representatives from among the petitioners.
Thereafter, after constitution of the committee shall verify the claims,
Correct, my lord.
find out and survey the area wherein the petitioners have claimed to have been residing in extent of use of the petition land for construction of the frontier highway. Right?
Right, my lord.
So, what do you propose? Within what time this will be approved and
My lord,
committee can proceed?
I think Chief Secretary can approve, my lord, within, my lord, 2, 3, 4 days, my lord.
So, you are the chief secretary?
My lord, for that, my lord, I have to take instruction, my lord, whether, my lord, this letter must have reached, my lord, to the Chief Secretary. my lord. So,
Next 2 step is approval of the chief secretary and induction of 5 persons.
5 persons
In
and my
the
lord,
meantime, within 1 week, petitioner side will name,
correct, my
submit
lord.
a letter, 5 names.
Only one, because the proposed Delhi Reserve Forest is a huge area. It covers from the Lower Dimamuli district up to extend up to Anjao district. So maybe this committee, the 5 persons, is related only to the this particular item number.
Basically,
Yes.
to find out what is that 50 square.
Not only 50, my lord, the entire Delhi, because we are because that frontier highway passes through.
So this petition, this first item number.
Item number, my lord,
How many petitioners?
item number 16 is,
16, we are representing 4
Can I
villages.
just tell one thing, my lord? 16, my learned friend Partin is representing item number 17. So that particular, it has not reached, I think. That road has not reached also. So far as item number 16 is concerned, they are carrying on. That's why the court has interfered, my lord. That's our case, my lord. Their case is a bit of different. It has not reached to that stage, my lord. So can I just, with your lordship permission, can I just make a prayer, my lord? Why they doesn't do it within a period of 2 weeks complete, my lord, the entire process. Approval can be granted by Chief Secretary and process can be completed. And that report can be furnished
That
before the
is
court,
Mr.
my lord.
Navam,
My
within
lord.
what time, expected time?
My lord, expected time, my lord, your lordship may kindly give chief secretary, my lord, within 1 week, my lord, chief secretary approves. Then, my lord, they have to
Yes,
give the
right.
list to the, my lord, deputy commissioner, the five, my lord.
Mr. Das will provide the
They
list
will
of
provide,
five
my lord, within
persons.
1 week, my lord.
I will
Within 1
provide,
week.
my lord.
Then A said,
Ah.
then A said, my lord, this is a huge area, my lord.
But
It is not,
in that case, the observation may be clarified that will concentrate only on the 50 acres of land, which is mentioned here.
No,
But then other than that, this committee might examine the entire frontier highway because what our in our impugned order, we have challenged the decision of the deputy commissioner where he says that under this proposed Delhi Reserve Forest, there no land acquisition is required. So we have challenged that entire thing because read petitions represents 5 villages, madam. So our village does
My
not
lord,
fall
that
under this
matter has not
50
been, so let
hectares,
not,
but it falls under the
so let us not
proposed
mix up,
Delhi
my
Reserve
lord.
Forest.
no, they verify the claims of the petitioner, right? First paragraph, first subparagraph of paragraph 9,
Paragraph
is
9.
verify the claims of the petitioner. Find out and survey the area wherein the petitioners have claimed to have been residing.
correct, madam.
And the extent of use of the petitioner's land for construction of the frontier railway. Right. Next is loss of crops. Third, committee shall also find out whether the petitioner's land is situated within 50 square kilometer that has been mentioned in the notification. Right, both claims. No, one is 50 square kilometer and other is the petitioners
Or whether
claim and survey the area where the petitioners have claimed to have been residing and the extent of use. This first paragraph is broader.
yes.
Third subparagraph is confined to 50 square kilometer, right? Both are included in the order. So if first we'll specify
What the 50?
about their claim vis-a-vis the notification under section 5. If third paragraph is satisfied, they already have the right and that is excluded already.
My lord.
Right. So we have to find out, ultimately the committee has to submit the report.
No, my lord,
And wherein the petitioner should take part and make their claim justified. If it is not found justified, it will be in the report.
my lord, I need I
Your
pray
lordship
that
is right.
same
Item number
provisions may be
16,
provided in
my learned
item number
friend, item
17.
number 17 has no connection with this case, my lord.
No,
This
I'm
case is
just
independent,
looking
my
at,
lord. Item number 17.
I'm looking at 16.
Yes, right.
My lord, no, my lord.
Yes,
17.
correct.
My
My,
lord,
my learned friend is not item number 17.
No, this order is,
this order is
Yes.
16, my lord.
it's a part in, it is in 16.
16, my lord.
16
So I'm
only.
examining
Yes.
that.
My lord.
I'm
Yes, correct,
examining
my
that
lord.
16.
My lord,
Correct,
now, my
right.
lord, now, my lord, the item number 17, can it be segregated from 16 or not? My lord, subject matter is same. My lord, to propose, my lord, this Dalai Reserve
I'll
Forest.
find out.
My lord, they are also
No,
seeking,
first
but I
you
say,
tell me,
my lord.
Mr. Nama, expected time is 1 week for the chief
expected
secretary to
approve, my
approve.
correct, my lord.
And within 1 week time, the petitioners in item 16 will
They-
give the names of 5 of their representatives
Correct, my lord.
before the deputy commissioner.
Correct, my lord.
Right. After that, you proceed
My lord.
ahead. I think it is a vast area of land.
Vast area, my lord.
So it
It will
minimum take two weeks minimum, if
Yes.
on war footing. So we post the matter after 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Right. In the meantime, you complete the formalities of the committee within 1 week. You proceed.
My lord.
Thereafter, if you need time, if you can find out within 2 weeks that their claims are bogus,
Bogus or,
matter is closed.
my lord.
But if their claims are found justified,
My lord.
some more time is necessary. And then you Seek
Lord.
for time.
Yes, my lord. I believe, my lord, the door will be open for us, my lord.
Yes, yes, yes.
Why I am saying, my lord,
We'll say that we expect.
my lord, why I am saying, my lord, the item number 7 cannot be segregated because suppose
now-
tomorrow again your
So
lordship.
now I have not applied my mind to the
My lord,
item number 17. So I'm now just looking at
my lord, if need to be, my lord, re-verify or
Let us see
my lord, any
what is the order passed.
my lord, there is no such any order passed, my lord, only to take with this item.
Let me read the order.
Last order is, my lord, 31st 3, my lord.
No, no, detail order has been passed on 5-3.
5-3, yes, my lord. कितना है?
Where is that highway? Any map?
No, my
My
lord.
lord, they have not enclosed any DPR, nothing, my lord, nothing is
That's
there.
why we have made this NS additional as party respondent. We have taken steps. In fact, we have given the.
NHIDCL, anybody?
Yes, Mr.
Yes, NHIDCL. He represents NHIDCL. Where is the road alignment?
It's not next.
No, no. You say they have raised an issue. They may not have the documents. They are saying that what is this frontier highway?
Yes.
And they are villagers of five villages.
Five villagers.
Lohit district. So if you have the alignment of the frontier highway,
Actually, I am in 16, my lord, not in 17.
you are not appearing in 17.
No, no. They have not engaged.
We have given to the Central Standing Council. But again, we have taken steps by registered post also.
Why can't you take instruction?
Yes, I'll take.
Would you appear for item 17?
I'll take it.
Or they are proposing another council? It is a matter of 5 villages, right? And they are apprehending that this frontier highway would go
Pass
through
through,
their
yes,
villages, right? Then if we are having a look at, we can have a look at the proposed alignment. And if we find that the alignment is through these villages, then we can proceed further. Or otherwise, their claim will be as against the forest notification. If the alignment goes through their villages, then we have to examine their case.
But otherwise, can the direction be issued to the Deputy Commissioner to find out whether this alignment and NSDL, whether it passes through our village? That is
exactly committee is going to do, my lord.
No, 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 no. The road alignment, they must have the DPR.
Obviously, my lord.
They must have the DPR.
Must be.
That is why the Deputy Commissioner is taking these actions. So NHIDCL or National Highway Authority, whoever he is, They must have the DPR
Yes.
that this is the proposed road alignment. We can examine whether it touches these villages or not, these 5 villages. Since there is a detailed order in the other one, so we are proceeding further. But so far as these 5 villages, they have clearly mentioned that they are landowners of 5 villages. Paragraph 1, Lohit district. Once we are sure that this alignment would go through these villages, then we can definitely pass an order for, otherwise it is a huge exercise.
Yes, my lord. My lord,
They must have carried
total
the
area,
survey earlier.
my lord, total area would be around more than 1,000,
Maybe
maybe more than that, my lord.
there should not be any unnecessary exercise.
Correct.
We also
Your lordship,
aware of,
yes,
we are also aware of public resources.
my lord.
So unnecessary exercise should not be there.
Correct.
If Deputy Commissioner is passing an order, so he must be sure that the road
Road
alignment
passes
goes
through,
through this.
my lord, yes.
Can you take the instruction?
Yes.
My lord,
Both of you,
my lord, yes.
both
lord.
of you. I'll make specific mention of these 5 villages and the road, whether road alignment is through these villages.
My lord.
In that case, we may have to pass a similar order. May. If the road does not go through these villages, end of the matter.
My lord.
Why you will use all the initiate all the entire exercise?
My lord, why I was apprehending, my lord. Already, my lord, item number 6, your lordship had directed us to constitute a committee, my lord. Then 17 is belongs to my elder brother, my lord. If, my lord, suppose we carry the exercise, my lord. Again, there is directive to, my lord,
No, Mr. Nabam, what
to
I'm
carry for Mr.
Mr.
Puneet
Nabam,
Pathan also, my lord. That
why
will be
I'm
double
saying
exercise,
so-
my lord.
no,
I was,
we have already agreed that 16 will be posted
my lord,
after 3 weeks
my lord.
on an agreed date, right? We can take instruction from you and Mr.
RB Yadav.
Within 1 week,
My lord.
whether this alignment goes through these villages.
Correct, my lord.
If it goes through,
Then you
then we'll entrust the same committee
my lord.
to do so.
Exactly. Very well, my lord. So let this item 16, 17 be,
We'll
my lord.
put it on next Monday.
Ah,
In the meantime, they will take instruction. If it goes through, we may pass a similar order like the item number 16
my lord, 16,
and fix it on the same date.
my lord.
You remember the date of item 16
My lord. My lord, your lordship given us 3 weeks time, my lord.
for item 16?
Yes, my lord.
1 week
1 week for this.
for approval.
My lord.
These are tentative.
My lord. 1 week for approval.
And 1 week for submission of 5 names by the petitioner side
Correct, my lord.
before the deputy commissioner.
Correct, my lord.
Right?
Mm.
And make endeavor, you should make endeavor to complete the entire exercise in terms of the direction
My lord.
within next 2 weeks. And we'll post this on for further orders.
My lord.
Right?
Right, my lord.
Then we'll pass this order in item
We can fix
17
it on
on the
29
next
because
Monday.
you're-
They'll come up with instruction, then we may pass a similar order.
29.
Mm,
Heard Mr. D. Das, Senior Counsel. Stated by Mr.
Asmo.
S. Moore, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Mr. Aris Nabam, Learned Additional Advocate General, Arunachal Pradesh, for the respondent number 1 to 6, and Mr. R.B. Jadhav, Learned Counsel for the respondent number 7 and 8. First stop. Mr. Nabam has submitted that the Deputy Commissioner, Lohit District, respondent number, his respondent number?
my lord, respond number. Yes, my lord. 5 minutes.
Respondent, we didn't make it, respondent number 5. Has already proposed the constitution of the committee in deference to the order dated 3/3/2026. Right, by proposing. By proposing, huh? The constitution of the committee, in deference to the order dated so and so, has already forwarded the matter to the Chief Secretary to the government of Arunachal Pradesh. And the approval of the Chief Secretary is awaited. Mr. Nawam has submitted that the approval is expected within a week's time. Full stop. In a note placed by Mr. Nawam, in a note of the Deputy Commissioner, Lohit District, response number 5. It is noticed that 5 representatives from among the petitioners have been made part of the committee in deference to the order dated 3/3/2026. Full stop. Mr. Nawam has submitted that the petitioner's side shall give the 5 names, names of the 5 representatives from the petitioner's side before the response number 5 within a week's time, so as to enable the committee to proceed or proceed as per the directions given in the order dated 3/3/2026. First of Mr. Das, Senior Counsel appearing for the petition, has submitted that the petition side will submit the names of the 5 representatives from their end within a week's time before the office of the respondent of 5. First of after constitution of the committee, after approval of the committee, after accord of approval, the constitution of the committee, the committee shall proceed with the as per the directions given in the order dated 3/3/2026 and shall make endeavor to complete the same within the next 2 weeks' time. Full stop. The list the case on after 3 weeks. After 3 weeks, this day. 27, 4, 11.
Your lordship given my lord.
Your lordship is fixing on
Your
this
lordship
date.
given my lord 1 week for chief secretary, my lord. 1 week for submission of the petition of 5 names.
Both.
2 weeks, then 2 weeks. Let this matter list up to 4 weeks, my lord. Then I can come up with clear picture before your lordship, my lord.
Okay. Within 3 weeks' time.
My lord,
Within
only
3
my
weeks.
my only prayer is that they should not delay it, because there is a stay order which has been. It has come to a standstill. The order has come to a standstill. No construction.
20th May.
20 May.
20th May. 20. For further order, the interim order past service will continue till the next date of listing.
My lord, one submission, my lord. I anything when my learned friend has said about the monetary part, you have to, but your lordship was given an answer, so I didn't want to give any answer to it, my lord. The answer has been given by this court only.
No,
I'm
no,
deeply
if
obliged, my lord.
Mr. Namam presses on it, then I will pass order.
No, if they,
My lord, no, your
my
lordship has
lord,
rightly pointed out,
if
my
they
lord, even
can
in
show
Assam
any,
also, my
I
lord.
knew, my lord.
If Mr.
Provision has to
Namam
be
comes
shown,
up
my
with
lord.
such submission, then I will pass the necessary order.
Yes,
That is why I
100%.
indicated
We'll
to
take,
Mr.
my lord.
Namam.
Yes, correct, my lord. I'm deeply obliged, my
I
lord.
directed in some other matter that the parties have asked for cost, that who would be at a cost. Well, ultimately, I said that, okay, first tell me the cost. After the entire exercise, the cost came up to 4,000. 4,000.
My lord, that will depend upon
Yes.
the area of, my lord, the length of area, my lord. Exercise area, my lord.
Okay, heard Mr. T. Party, learned counsel for the petitioner. And petitioners, and Mr. R. H. Navam, learned additional advocate general, Arunachal Pradesh, for the respondent number 1 to 5. Full stop. Mr.
R.B. Yadav, my lord.
Number 6 should be represented by the Mr. Kato.
Kato, yes.
Deputies.
And Miss Y. Gao, learned counsel on behalf of Mr. Respondent number 6. Deputy Solicitor General of India. Full stop. Mr. Jadov, Mr. Patin has submitted that the case of the petitioner is similarly circumstanced as the petitioners in WBC number 576 within bracket AP 2025. Full stop. Mr. R.B. Jadov, learned counsel, who has appeared on behalf of the respondent National NHIDCL. Respondent number 8, that is, respondent NHIDCL in WBC number 576 AP 2025 has submitted that he is yet to receive instructions.
Yes, I have not received copy also.
He is yet to receive instructions to enter appearance on behalf of the respondent number.
I'll serve a copy today. That maybe.
1 minute, let me. Respondent number 7 in this petition. Full stop. And he has further submitted that he has not yet received a copy of the petition along with annexure. Full stop. Mr. Parting, and counsel for appearing for the petitioner, has proposed to submit a copy of the petition along with annexure to Mr. Jadov during the course of the day. Full stop. In view of the subject matter involved in this petition, and considering the issues involved in WBC number 576 AP 2025, Mr. Partin is permitted to serve a copy of the petition along with annexure to Mr. R.B. Jadov, learned counsel, during the course of the day. Full stop. Both Mr. The case of the petitioners is that they are inhabitants of villages, Perawan, Sidia Liang, Tase Liang, Sambiu, Labua Liang, and Soliang, district Lohit, since long. Full stop. The petitioners have apprehended that the alignment of the proposed frontier highway is likely to go through their villages, which were proposed to be included in Delhi Reserve Forest.
Forest proposed, my lord, your lordship may use
Proposed,
that.
which are proposed,
Proposed, my lord.
which is proposed to be included
My lord.
in Delhi Reserve Forest. Comma, in respect of which, in notification under Section 5 of the Assam Forest Regulation 1890,
98, my lord.
78, 7.
No, 18, it should be 18.
18 something.
It's matter of-
Assam Forest Regulation 18
It's
something.
53.
Base 72.
No,
18 something.
no, 53.
But it is 77. Then proclamation is 78.
No. Assam Forest Regulation
1891, my lord.
1890.
Yes, my lord.
Oh, yes. You're talking about that.
Full stop. In view of the issues raised, comma, it appears necessary to direct the respondents to place instruction whether the proposed frontier or alignment, to place instructions about the alignment of the proposed frontier highway. Firstly, alignment of the proposed, and secondly, whether the proposed frontier highway is likely to be likely to affect the land areas of these 5 villages. Mr. Navam, both Mr. Navam and Mr. Jadhav have sought for a week's time to obtain necessary instructions in the matter. So, release the case accordingly on next Monday.
My lord.
Next Monday, my lord, will be
Next Monday is 27.
yes, 8 or 9. No. So, my lord, otherwise on 29th, because today is 20. So
Let us be on 27, then
Yes.
we can pass a similar order.
Similar
Yes,
order,
So that they can have time,
my lord.
right?
Yes.
In the same drive, they
Yes.
can go through.
Exactly, my lord.
If you are out of the alignment,
Then he is
Yeah.
totally out, my lord.
your apprehension will be misplaced.
The second part.
Second part.
Ah.
So let us have the alignment first.
My lord. When, my lord, 27?
7?
My lord.
Obliged.
Mr. Jadhav, get a copy from Mr. Patil, then obtain instruction. And I have instructed you, so there is no difficulty on your part.
Get the order.
Item number 18.
Yes, Mr. Issue notice, returnable, ID card. The service of notice, however, service about. You are Miss
M. Lordship.
Learned Counsel for the petitioner is present. Miss,
And Lordship, I'm instructed to appear on behalf of 1, 2, 3, and 4, Lordship.
Miss so and so, Learned Counsel has submitted that she has received instruction to enter appearance on behalf of the respondent number
1, 2, 3, and 4, Lordship.
1, 2, 3, and 4. Full stop. In view of which note dated 10/4/2026, comma, await for the service reports in respect of the respondent number 5, 6, and 8, and for the appearance of the respondent number 7. First up, release the case on after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the office. The respondent number 1, 2, 3, and 4 shall ensure that the counter affidavit is filed before the next date of listing.
Yes, Lordship. Obliged, Lordship.
Item number 19.
Yes, Mr. Mangi. Affidavit filed on behalf of the respondent number 4.
My lord, what has happened in this case? Petitioners, my lord, are experienced to the post of sub-inspector, telecommunication and radio technicians. Now, the
You are
selection,
supposed to file amended cost title.
Oh, yes, my lord.
They did not file.
I will do it, my lord. In the meantime, they already filed an affidavit also, the CBI, my lord. I'll do that, my lord. I'll do that by tomorrow.
1 minute.
My lord, I just wanted to point out one
Just,
thing. my
just a minute, just a minute. We can record the status of investigation. Connection recruitment. Some investigation. Yes, please.
Yes. Now, my lord, this advertisement was issued in 8/2/2021. Everything was going on, my
For
lord.
the post of
Sub-inspector of telecom and radio technician in the Arunachal Pradesh Police.
Arunachal Pradesh Police.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, if these petitioners are experienced to that post, they have qualified the written examinations. Now, my lord, in 2022, there was a allegation of large-scale irregularities, particularly against one person who was a deputy secretary in the Public Service Commission. So all the selection process were undergoing, that were put on hold. The my lord will kindly have page 39, my lord. Irrespective of any evidence of any malpractice. So this for general information that the interview Viva was scheduled on such and such for the post of sub-inspector, telecommunication and radio technician and senior personal assistant. This is another post, my lord. This now in terms of the directions by the Honorable Court, selection process has now been completed. So it was at this stage, my lord, since there was nothing was happening, we filed this writ petition. Now the APCS stand, respondent number 1 and 2, if your lordship may kindly have that, the affidavit.
Who are the respondents here? Arunachal Pradesh Public
Service Commission.
Huh.
At page 58. They say because of this communication, my lord, they can't complete the selection process. This is by DIG head and branch of the CBI. It says to the Public Service Commission, my lord, with reference to your letters numbers dated such and such, on the subject cited above, it is to inform that the investigation in both the above mentioned recruitment examination is still going on. Hence, appropriate decision may be taken at your end in the matter as deemed fit. It's neither here, neither there. So it is under these circumstances we implemented the CBI, my lord. Now the CBI has filed an affidavit after implement. My lord, on 22/12, Honorable Court categorically directed, give the status in respect of these two posts. What are you doing? What is going on? Anything available? Now they filed an affidavit. There is nothing in there, my lord. So what I'm praying, my lord, let them file that affidavit, a fresh affidavit, my lord.
Which is the order? Which is the order?
22/12, my lord, 2025.
22/12.
Yes, ma'am.
2025. All of you.
Thereafter, they filed the affidavit, but there's nothing there.
And status in connection recruitment of sub-inspector. Affidavit by respondent number 4.
Yes, my lord, the CBI. Subsequent to 22/12, my lord, they filed an affidavit. But my lord, it's a wishy-washy affidavit. They are saying we have been entrusted with 92 selection process. He said investigations are going on. Now, in the meantime, we're all suffering, my lord. My instructions are that not a single candidate, my lord, has been even interrogated.
Leakage of question paper.
Yes. That was in respect of selection process to the assistant engineer post, my lord. That is how, my lord, all others have been dropped in.
Only 2 examinations have been
Yes,
completed.
yes. Investigations.
92.
92, my lord, 90 left. From 2022 onwards, my lord.
Hmm.
The other post, my lord, that was also kept in abeyance, senior personal assistant. There has been direction by this honorable court. There is no material available, so you go ahead. Now the selection process has been completed now. It was by the same order.
How many posts were there?
13 total, 10 plus 3. 39 have qualified.
Yes, who is for response number 4?
Mr. Kato appears.
Get an up-to-date report.
Yes, Lordship.
Because 13 into 39 candidates, not a huge exam.
Yes, yes, madam.
Not a huge exam. That
Yes.
is, otherwise, if it is civil services exam,
Yes, yes.
it or say teacher,
Yes, yes.
100 posts of teacher, it will be about 1 lakh candidates.
Yes. Only 39 have qualified.
Right, Mr. D. Panging, Learned Counsel for the petitioner.
Petitioners.
Petitioners. Miss,
Waigaon, Lordship.
and who are for the others?
For respondent 1 and 2.
Mr.
K. Menon.
K. Mina.
On behalf of standing council.
Huh?
On behalf of standing council, APPSC.
Learned Counsel on behalf of Mr.
Yeah, upon Lordship.
K.
Yeah, upon.
Okay. Learned Standing Council, APPSC for the respondent number 1 and 2. Okay. Miss
And I'm keep on me also for respondent number 3.
Learned Government Advocate for the respondent number P. Pangu. Okay. Learned Junior Government Advocate Arunachal Pradesh for the respondent number 3 and Miss
Waigaon, Lordship.
Y.
Gao.
Gao, Learned Counsel on behalf of Mr. So-and-so, Deputy Solicitor General of India.
Not Lordship, not DSJ. Standing Council, CBI.
Okay. On behalf of Mr.
M. Kato.
M. Khato.
Yes, Lordship.
Learned Standing Counsel, CBA for the respondent number 4. Post of. The subject matter of writ petition, subject matter of this writ petition is an examination conducted by the Arunachal Pradesh Public Service Commission for selection and appointment of sub inspector telecommunication within bracket and radio technician for 13 number of posts. Post of the examination was conducted. Written examination for the said post was conducted in the year 2021.
22. 17th and 18th of August 2022.
2022. And the petitioners herein have cleared the written examination. Post of. In the meantime, an investigation. was directed and the respondent CBI registered a case RC page 64 of last time on 6/1/2023. Full stop. During the course of investigation, the allegations pertaining to alleged malpractices or allegations pertaining to malpractices in the recruitment of various posts through 92 number of examinations conducted by the APPSC during the period between 2014 and 2022 were also brought under the purview of the investigation. Post of the examination, sorry, the process initiated for selection and appointment of sub-inspector, telecommunication and radio technician has also been brought under the purview of the investigation. Post of para this code on 22/12/2025 had directed the respondent of 4 to apprise about the status of investigation in connection with the selection and appointment of sub-inspector, telecommunication and radio technician. Post of in reference to the said order, in reference to the order dated 22/12/2025, the respondent number 4, CBI has filed an affidavit in opposition. Filed an affidavit on 7/1/2026. Post of in the said affidavit, the respondent CBI has mentioned that the investigation with regard to the selection process for sub-inspector so-and-so is in progress. Post of, but the exact stage of investigation is not mentioned in any specific manner in the affidavit. Post of a period of 3 months has elapsed in the meantime since 7/1/2026. Post of the respondent was 4 shall file an additional affidavit stating specifically the stage of investigation, stage of investigation with regard to the selection process of sub-inspector so-and-so. And if the investigation is not yet complete, the expected time within which the investigation can be complete. List the case on after 3 weeks or 4 weeks. 4 weeks is the case. Give a specific date. After
13 May.
30/05.
And Lordship, Mr. M. Kator name may be reflected in the court list.
Mr. Panging has undertaken to file the amended cost title.
Yes.
Tomorrow?
Tomorrow, madam.
And the name of Mr. M. Khator, Land Standing Council, CBA,
Yes, Lordship.
is to be reflected in the respondent side in the court list.
Obliged,
Okay,
Lordship.
sir.
5 more.
Okay, orders. Let us try.
Okay.
If councils are present.
Item number 20.
Can you give me 5 minutes? I have to give a rest for 5 minutes. I'll sit again for 5 minutes.
My lord, before any case is taken up, my lord, may I pray that in item number 23 and 24 and 25, in item number 23, my lord, this is pertaining to non-payment of pensions. On the last occasion, direction was issued for obtaining instructions fixing it today.
23.
23.
Huh.
So, my lord, they have not come up with the instructions. May I pray that this may be taken up then as a last on Monday, because I have retired in 2020. Pensions has not been paid. Nothing, no retirement benefits. I'm suffering a lot, my lord.
Your Lordship, the problem with us is, Your Lordship, the department has sent it for law vetting, Your Lordship.
Huh?
That's what vetting of the law department, Your Lordship.
Oh, you have prepared the affidavit?
Yes, Your Lordship.
When it is expected?
By Monday, Your Lordship. I don't think it won't be possible, Your Lordship, for us.
Okay, we'll make a try.
We'll make it try, my lord.
We'll make it try.
Because otherwise, my lord, otherwise the Directorate of Pension has filed their affidavit. They have taken a categorical statement that those pensionary documents has not been forwarded to us, and without those documents, we cannot proceed. That is the simple case. Now here also, my lord, we will not be finding out any this thing. Only direction will be direct the department from where I have retired to proceed by submitting the documents. That's all, my lord.
Let us have that. Mr. T. Patil, Learned Counsel for the Petition is present. Mr. S. Tapin.
Why,
sorry. Why? I'm sorry.
Yes.
Why?
Ram.
Learned senior government.
No, you're junior government.
Junior government advocate for the respondent 1, 2, 4, and 5.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Has sought for a week's time to have submitted that. The affidavit of the counter affidavit has been sent for fitting. It is, and he expects that the affidavit, he expects to file the affidavit within a week's time to stop. List the case on next Monday.
Obligation.
My lord, this item number 24 and 25, 24, my lord, this main respondent, the Deputy Commissioner, who has to undertake
item number
24 in the main writ petition, the Deputy Commissioner has filed the affidavit
24.
in opposition,
Item number
but central government has yet to file.
Item number 24.
24. So, my lord, just 2 weeks time can be granted. Otherwise, my lord, on the basis of this, I have also, on the basis of this affidavit of opposition by respondent number 3, that is Deputy Commissioner.
24. There is one IA.
IA, my lord, more or less it has become infructuous. My lord, the writ petition, in the writ petitions, the respondent number 3, the Deputy Commissioner, who is the main respondent, has
You are the applicant in IA or what?
Yes, I am the applicant in IA. My lord, in that I had sought for further stay till the disposal, but your lordship said that let us not disturb the developmental activities.
Okay.
In any case, nature has stopped in Malan. It's because of rain.
Okay. Key party for the petitioner.
I have filed my reply also.
1 minute. Mr. So-and-so, Learned Counsel for the Government Advocate for the respondent number 1.
1 to 7,
or for 1 to 6.
5 and 6.
No, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Union of India for
Yes, Lordship.
Mr. Korkete.
Sorry.
No.
M. Kato, Lordship.
Huh?
M. Kato.
M. Kato.
Yes, Lordship.
M. Kato. For the respondent number 5 and 6 are present.
5 and 6, Lordship.
5 and 6.
Now, who is to file?
Now, my lord, they are to file because otherwise, my lord, 1 to 4, which is the main, they have already filed.
Okay.
5 and 6 are only pro forma, more or less.
So-and-so, Learned Counsel on behalf of Mr. M. Kato. This so-and-so has sought for and is granted 2 weeks time to file the counter affidavit on behalf of the respondent number 5 and 6,
Yes, Lordship.
right? You file your affidavit. This is the case of after 2 weeks,
6 May.
6 May.
And endeavor should be made to dispose of because this is
Let us have the affidavit.
construction and my property is being,
Let us have the, you are enjoying some stay order.
no, there is no stay, my lord.
Okay, that IA is pending.
I is pending. Because this is the road is very important. my lord. This is directly, Kopapu is the last Chinese border. We are only around few kilometers are left.
Your land is
On the way, my lord.
on the way.
The road passes through.
Your, that
My-
is affecting
Yes.
your land.
There are large cardamom. I have the video also, photographs also.
Okay.
So
Okay,
those will be destroyed.
6 May. But why it has come for orders today?
Look,
Any other reason?
I think because of the affidavit has not been exchanged.
File your affidavit.
Yes, Lordship.
Anything?
Obliged.
Item number 20.
My lord, in
Nomrava.
item number 20, I'm appearing for respondent number 2, my lord.
And I'm
Who is
for
for the
respondent
petitioner?
number
Respondent of you are for?
one. One. Respondent number one.
There is no representation on behalf of the petitioner today on call. Okay. So, Mr.
K. Loya, Lordship, CGC.
K.
Loya.
Loya.
For Union of India, respondent number one.
United Central Government Council.
Yes, sir.
For the respondent number 1.
One.
Is in attendance. Full stop. Mr.
Mr. T. Mangar, my lord, for respondent number 2. We have filed our affidavit, my lord, in this case, and we have challenged the immutability against respondent number 2, my lord.
Now today is for your appearance.
We have already appeared.
You have filed your
prior to this.
affidavit.
Yes, we have filed.
Huh?
Yes, my lord, we have filed our affidavit and we have challenged in our affidavit, we have also raised the
So,
question of
Lordship, as per
immutability.
last order, Lordship, the petitioner was supposed to take
No,
steps
yes,
against
yes.
the
And
respondent
Mr.
also.
So and so, learned counsel for the respondent number 2 are present. First up, Perus the office note dated 10/4/2026. Wherein it is reported that the petitioner has not taken fresh steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 3. Full stop. In view of non-representation on behalf of the petitioner today on call, let the case for initial justice be listed again on so dated
My
after
lord,
2 weeks.
my lord, if it can be reflected that we have filed our affidavit, my lord. If it reflected that we have filed our counter affidavit, my lord.
File your counter affidavit.
Yes, my lord, we have filed. Respondent number 2.
Okay, Mr. So-and-so has prayed for and is granted. How much time you need?
We have filed, my lord. We have already filed.
Oh, you have already filed. It is
Yes,
record.
sir.
It is on record.
All right.
No issue. It is for taking of steps upon respondent number 3 only.
All right, my lord.
After 2 weeks, huh? Give
6-5.
6-5. 6-5.
Item number 21.
My lord, in item 21, I am for respondent number 2 and 3.
Item number 22.
No. Give the file to me. I don't know whether it is same or not.
21.
Different petitioner, my lord. Different petitioners.
But
same council.
oh,
different
same
petitioner.
order is to be passed or not? That is, here it is 4 and 5. 4 and 5.
I am for 2 and 3 here, my lord.
Mr. Loya is for
One.
1. Mr. N. Khera.
Yes, my lord. For
You are?
T. Marngar, my lord.
2 and
For
3.
1, for 2 and 3.
2 and 3. It is 2 and 3. Arrow steps upon respond number 4 and 5. You have filed your affidavit?
Yes, my lord. We have filed in this case also.
Same. Huh? Steps not taken. Perus the office note. Perus the office note. Huh? File over.
Deeply obliged.
Item number 22.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Why it has come for order? No step.
Your Lordship, I am for the petitioner and I beg to withdraw this instant writ petition on the ground that the parties have already settled the matter.
Mr.
Y. Ram, Your Lordship.
Yes. Then a junior government advocate, Arunachal Pradesh is present. Miss
P. Lomdak.
P. Longda, Learned Counsel, preparing for the petitioner has submitted, instruction, the issues have been settled
Yes, Your Lordship.
during the pendency of the petition, and therefore the petition doesn't want to pursue the petition. Full stop. Para.
Deeply obliged.
In view of the above submission made by so and so, Learned Counsel for the petition, the petition is closed.
Deeply obliged.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Itu suki rakhi,
Sure, sure.